Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best gas pressure washer that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Simpson Cleaning MSH 3125 MegaShot gas pressure washer. It uses a powerful Honda engine to provide superb performance. At the same time, the maintenance-free axial cam pump ensures consistent operation that keeps the fuel moving without the risk of clogging. It comes with a welded steel frame that is very durable, while the pneumatic wheels make it easily portable across a wide range of terrains. You can also enjoy the multiple nozzles that provide a broad range of degrees for getting into tricky places. These include 0, 15, 25, and 40-degree tips, plus a soap nozzle that enhances cleaning even further. The threaded M22 connection is compatible with most outdoor faucets. For those stubborn stains, make sure to use one of these top power scrubbers. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Westinghouse gas pressure washer. The Westinghouse gas-powered pressure washer provides a variety of options suitable for a wide range of demands. Each will offer powerful, deep cleaning pressure to loosen dirt and grime, and the 1-gallon gas tank ensures long-lasting performance. Its recoil start engine makes it simple to use, so it's ideal for first-timers, and with its axial pump, maintenance shouldn't be a common issue. The steel frame construction should ensure long-term reliability. If you need a device specially made for cars, here are some top-quality car vacuum cleaners you might also like. At number 3, we have the Generac gas pressure washer. If you're looking for simplicity in your machine, the Generac gas pressure washer has it in spades. One push-touch start gets the engine roaring immediately, and the lithium-ion battery plus charger further enhance usability. There's also a power dial spray gun which you can adjust to find the desired pressure, demonstrating superb versatility that both casual users and professionals find desirable. Its onboard pressure washer detergent tank will take the hassle out of refilling and lugging a spare container around. Its 4 quick change nozzles provide excellent variety and help you target distinct types of muck and grime with confidence. To keep your home spotless as well, choose one of the best wet, dry vacuums from our list. At number 2, we have the Simpson Cleaning CM60912 Clean Machine Gas Pressure Washer. With a powerful engine and maintenance-free pump, the Simpson Cleaning CM60912 Clean Machine Gas Pressure Washer is a superb example of gas-powered pressure washers that can convert even the most loyal electric pressure washer fan. It boasts a high-pressure hose to handle the most stubborn stains, and the threaded M22 connection delivers reliable, convenient, and leak-free use. The Simpson CM60912 also comes with an ergonomic spray gun so you can use it all day long with less hand discomfort, with breaks in between to protect the pump. It arrives fully assembled, so you can get started tackling the tough jobs immediately. And finally, at number 1, we have the A-iPower APW2700C gas-powered pressure washer. The A-iPower APW2700C gas-powered pressure washer boasts a strong pressure rating that puts it firmly in the middle of domestic and professional suitability. For home use, it can handle a variety of everyday tasks. If you're looking for a professional solution, this could be perfect for finishing smaller tasks with ease. It uses a versatile quick connect wand that comes with 3 nozzle tips for different angles as well as for soap, and its 2 8-inch wheels make it easy to shift from one place to another. The frame is also both durable and compact, providing confidence in your purchase and convenient storage.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.